Every know the Dan, you know, the man, you know, the one, you know. Right now, me are
Shadi Murray TV.
Shadi Murray TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
On YouTube, you know. Come in, say YouTube, that tube, and such tube. Yo.
Yeah. Shadi Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said that.
It's exploding right now.
Yeah. Make money, make money, yeah. Make money, make money, yeah. Make money, yo.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And I don't here drop 2 bad song. The man drop Big Baller, big like Benzema. Well, this song is actually called Big Baller and in a bracket Benzema. Whichever way you want to call it. Hit bad and the man drop one next song when him finessing. And me I tell you say the whole of them, the 2 of them. Please listen them with caution. Because the lyrics them are kicking it. I mean, I don't want nobody to get hurt. So right now we are going to review it and see what it's all about.
In a girl thing, me a the legend. Me na fuck no girl, baby belong to me brethren. Yeah. Make money, make money, yeah. Make money, make money, yeah. Make money, yo. Make money, yeah. Make money, yeah. Make money, yeah. Make money, ha.
So I don't here start off Big Baller. Him just a say make money, make money. And from your ear the rhythm already, it's like you just want move. You just a say yo, that's on your body. I will make the rhythm here. You see, because it have a hip hop type of vibes to it, and not even necessarily hip hop but a trap vibes. You see me? And I don't wanna start sing in a one like trap vibes in my DJ and I want like trap vibes. And me I said that style it bad. It bad, me not tell a lie. It just make me want to go out and party and floss and just see a pretty girl and just take her up and just carry her home and you know what we're going in the night already. No.
Big Baller, got me Benzema. Goal pa me neck, nah give me eczema. Big Baller, got me Benzema. Anyway you see me, you a fi see 10 killer. AC cool, turn up the temperature with a pretty girl be favor Shensia. Baller, got me Benzema. More money make her, more money spend quicker.
So the song him did preview it from about last week. And you see other part of the song in the preview. Big Baller, big like Benzema. Goal for me neck in a game, me eczema. So what the man really a try say? What I mean by that, Chaddy? The man a say, you have some people who wear fake jewelry, fake gold. Some gold when him get from round at the corner round on the side from the Chinese man over one part. Where the Chinese man just got China and have some people make some plastic gold car. Yo, them can turn plastic into some little gold looking thing. So when you see it's when you put them on, your neck just look holy, your neck just look blacky. The man a say him now wear none of them chain there. Remember, you know, him they telling you already, you know. Anytime you see him just a dripping. VVS diamonds are dripping. You see me? Say man I make you know say yo, when him step out, him a big baller. Him nah nothing pan him no fake. Him friend them no fake, him money them no fake, him drilling them no fake, and him matic pan him waist no fake. Cause though, when you're a big baller, your office chop up though. AC cool, turn up the temperature with a pretty girl with favor Shensia. And you know say Shensia well pretty. Shensia look like one of them dolly gal. Oh them gal, the man a par with you know. John was star. I don't know, you find it with that one, I'm not telling a lie.
Pussy them a soft soap. Jenna full of style who no can't cope. Nowadays every nigga want and fold. So me send for your new scent where your cock nose. Those of you is a buckle who no can't afford. Bossa she low fast with the clock rope. Fat split, black crab a dark clothes. Ayo the big yard we no start coke.
So from what day, them a go on like say a Tom Ford are the only perfume on the market. From what day, them a go on like a Tom Ford alone them know. So the man a say, yo, watch now, we done with a Tom Ford something. You see, every Tom Ford buckle, just dash it away. We never want them. The man a send for something else. Something with a cock nose. Something when the girl them see him from a mile. Them smell him first. And on a stinking set, them a say, that you, this, oh, him smell so How him smell so? And where him get him cologne from? No, that youth, they don't want normal youth. Them want know him. Cause I saw uno woman reasoning. I saw uno woman go on. And you know say I not lie me I tell. No?
For every girl, change up the passcode. Your girl afraid, put it in a hard one. She full of brain, more than a smartphone. The matty cap, bust it in a jawbone. She love me here, lock it up in a comb. Sweet like ice cream when you put it on cone. Sky the lock up a Ross Road, so me flash road. 110 for the Benz cash, nothing now.
And this are the Idonia where the people them miss. And this are the Idonia where the people them love. This are the Idonia where the fans them want to see from here. Idonia where you did there, and where you been there. Like the people them don't, and where them talk. Moby side talk. And where you been there. Jano Star, you hear them flow there, you hear lyrics a punch. And look how the man a deal with the trap rhythm. Look how the man a deal with the foreign oversaw rhythm. Like our yard rhythm. Like it's a hardcore dancehall rhythm. The man a deal with it like it's nothing. And people, uno say Idonia. Wanna say I'm lazy? And one thing, you know, you see, anytime Idonia drop a song, the song off it. People want to tell me in the comment section if I'm wrong. I don't know, we not doing a song for 5 years. And then the man just forward back and just find something hit. Instant top 10. Remember no man, remember how him deal with yeah last year? Just remember no. So all who talk and I say I don't know mash up, and I don't know lazy, and I don't know this, and I don't know that. I want to listen to that part of the song.
Bambi, OJ, JG, pushing on me head, you don't see me hide him. Black pa me belly, no run from siren. Gary shower be dog, big yard, no try it. Mansion, hillside, city sighting. Keep it pool clean for me diving. Then I think of fire, hand of fire hydrant. Y'all bring a 2 friend for each me hydrant.
Hold on, so you think there's the lyrics there? The man just a start, you know. Me tell you see the second verse with the weapon burst. And right now, he might put the whole of them in the earth. You know, it sound like me can DJ so. But right now, the man him not done yet. And this is what me like with Idonia. You see, Idonia flow is one of a kind, yo. You see, in our song, me tell you enough of the key things them when me look out to. You see, delivery, me look out for that. You see, lyrics, me look out for that. You see, flow, it off it on point. You see me? Enough artists me see now, them don't have a bag of lyrics, but them have flow. But you see, Idonia now, him have lyrics plus flow. That's why me have to rate Donia. All who no rate Donia, me no know Jano Star. When you can't listen to a song like this and don't like it, hear how the song bad man. And it's not even a bad man song. It's just a party, it's just a girl song, it's just a fun song. You see me? In the intro, me they telling us say me I go review the 2 of the song them, but the song them too bad. So me put the 2 of them in a one review. So look out for the next review for Finesse. But me want to hear that party again because of that party, the whole of the shot them on fire. And that party of the lyrics in overdrive. Uno listen, man.
She say, Lord, when me walk across, me no land grass, me no green at the sauce pass in a boss class. And when you hear pop, it no pass fast. That space they too small for the Jenna car park. Fully stock I must see Walmart or a Hallmark. Y'all see me them jaw drop, then the jaws drop. Switch y'all like cross pass, that a ball talk. And when me say dog bark, and a dog bark.
No worry. Me know I wanna get everything, so that's why me there have to explain it too. No, the man say when me want cause me no land grass, me no green or the sauce boss in a boss class. The man a make you know say yo, the perfume what him a use, everything what him a use, everything round him, it costs. And him hygiene up. No girl can't tell him same green. I must the money green them a talk about. And when you hear pam something pass fast, that space they too small for the Jenna car park. Remember you know, they just buy a brand new Benz over there, you know. And him brother Diablo, aka Governor, have a hot ride to a BMW I think. So the man I say, yo, you see when the thugs them a roll out, you see when the Jenna them a roll out, you have to know where you do youth. Them man they have to park in a 2 parking space. Who a drive car know me attack. Because you can't afford for a man opening door and film door, go hit your door, and then it create a scratch. That now go on, that can't go happen. So that him a tell us say, yo, youth, fix up your car better because my car cannot fit in that parking space. And hear my favorite line out of it, out of the whole entire song. The man say, when girls see him, them jaw drop, them then jaws drop. Me I do the review but me still a laugh. You know what that mean though. You see, after him don't get your head in life, him a go get something else wet in life. You know what I mean? Everybody must know when me talk about this. So. Then the man say, yo, him switch girl like cross pass. That a ball tag. Everybody will play football or know about football. You know when a man up on the corner flank and you hear him say, yo, cross, cross. And the man goes, boom, and shoot the ball, cross on the next flank over the next side. You see me? I saw the man I say him switch girl. No, people, me rate that song ya. And everybody will rate that song ya. Just tell me in the comment section how much you would give that song ya out of 10. You feel say that song ya go hit? You feel say it's a hit song? Me feel say it hit. That song ya bad, me not tell a lie. The one here you find it, as what me say in the intro, you find it, me general. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget you can follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. If it's the first time watching, thanks for watching, and click the subscribe button. Turn on post notification as well. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. Don't forget to click the like button too. And people, look out for the next review. It will drop in a couple hours from this big baller called me Benzema. DJ Chaddy, I'm out.
Big baller called me Benzema. Hold pa me neck, nah give me eczema. Big baller called me Benzema. Anyway you see me, you a fissy 10 killer. AC cool, turn up the temperature. With a pretty girl, be favor Shensia. Baller called me Benzema. More money make her, more money spend quicker.